organic garden. So first thing is that like we all have gardens in our life, but that garden is sometimes not pure, or maybe you have not managed it well. So somehow, when I come across with this GBP, I already had garden as a form of a relationship, as a form of a career, as a form of a beautiful life. But my search for an organic garden led me to here. When it comes to unique word, we all know that the most beautiful, unique example is Mother Nature. You look deep into nature and then you will understand everything better. But still, even after looking at the nature, when it comes to human uniqueness, we do say we are all unique, but when it comes to acceptance, we don't accept. So this is what I also have come across and I also have learned. But when I, listened my report, I connected my past with that, with dot to dot, not only mine, but definitely I'm going to reveal other stories as well. I actually realized how unique we all are. Somehow, when I get to know about this Midna GBP report, I was going through the same phase. Who in the world am I? Ah, that's a great puzzle. And I was puzzled actually. And what I'm going to say today, I tried my best not to fabricate anything, not to put any glossification on it, not even a single word I try to put as an ornamental way. I'm a language trainer and I know how to play with that, but I'm not going to do because somehow I want to reveal my pure feelings, my pure personal feelings, whether in context to my personal life or whether in context to my professional life. I'll try to be 100% honest. And those who understand GBP, they have listened my report and they trust that yes, what I'm going to say is definitely going to be a very honest confession. Uh, Basically, when Midna GBP was introduced to me, it helped me to find actually what motivates me. I need a lot of kickstarts every day. I am such a adventurous person in my life that if mundane task is being given to me, I lost my energy. So further, it helped me to transform as a blissful, happy human, what I am today. I learned my relationships in a much better way. As sir already stated, I'm too cognitive when it comes to relationships. So I could stop, I could, now understand what I am supposed to, what I am not. It gave me the right way to understand problems and solution. As again, sir depicted it very clearly that I always look for solutions in my life. Yes, we all have our purpose in our life. And same way, I was looking for a great purpose. I always used to feel that if I have taken this birth, I am here for a bigger mission. I don't know why. And then I'll correlate later that how my GBP revealed that what I was thinking was absolutely right. This was the phase somewhat around 2018 when Mr. Sunny Nagpal interacted with me on LinkedIn. That was the time you can see this whole list that I was working on number of things simultaneously. As I'm a good student and I always believe there is no full stop in life, so I keep learning. I was working on law of affirmation. I was working hard on law of attraction, and that was really working for me. I read Rhonda Byrne's Secret for almost 10 times. I was following Sadhguru for inner peace and spirituality. I read Dr. Bryan's almost all of his books to understand life and life after questions. I get my past life regression. A number of good astrologers and numerologists are very good friends, and I was seeking, their help to reveal many questions. And yet, all this search was not over, you know, because without knowing yourself, I believe no one can help you. So somehow, my true introduction to myself came when I listened to my report. It gave me an inner deep pleasure. As sir stated that I'm very social, I keep people not only in my phone list, I keep people in my heart. So this is the same message which Sunny shared with me. It gives a true reflection of a person who am I in connection to my GBP report. I still have it in my laptop, so I could share it with you. You can see a very true reflection of myself. Sunny, it's good to know about you and your noble mission, because when once I get to know that the kind of mission he is doing, it's very noble. Only then I replied, It's even more delighted to know that you are associated with my childhood hero, Kiranji. Yes, I was always fascinated with Kiranji. I always wanted to be an IPS officer. Later, I'll reveal and I will again connect it with my GBP. My story is very simple. I have been working since 1999 professionally. My dream was to be a civil servant. So here you will get to know like what I was traveling through, and later how I get to know that what I could be the best. And sometimes I realized if this would have told me 20 years back, if this report would have been with me 20 years back, I could have done wonders. So later I realized that I'm master of my own mind. Hence I followed my dream, and now I'm feeling blessed to touch people's life and spread education. I'm doing voluntary project for Air Force and Army in Amritsar. God has given me chance to teach different fields of education, and my online tutoring has helped me to earn good name and reputation. Honestly, I often don't reply. So my focus is on this statement. Honestly, I don't reply because somewhere when I read only words, but your message is filled with honest feelings. So I felt that honesty, I felt that feeling. So being a typical crab sign, I'm misfit in this hardcore professional. As sir already stated that some of my career decisions I am having oscillation, but I believe that's maybe because my decisions are more of feeling based when it comes to people, when it comes to work. I'll feel honored if I could contribute anything from my side, stay in touch. And finally, my whole GBP later revealed me that why my decisions are so firm and why I am able to take and decide something very quick and fast. June, I was doing a voluntary project with Air Force. So I thought like first I'll finish and I'll come back. July, I was not in India. So the moment I came back to India, the first thing was I joined Mr. Nagpal, and I'm till date, I'm really grateful from the depth of my heart that he has helped me to reach my Ikigai. So now, not only that I wanted it for myself, I have many, answers that why did I join? Number one, definitely me, myself. I always wanted to know who am I. So when I get to know that this is going to be, a kind of a magic revealing me about my personality. Second was that was the time I used to think that generally most of the parents think the same way, the way I was thinking, that your child is a reflection of your, own personality. So somehow my daughter was turning her teens, and I was finding it a little challenging to guide her. So I don't know how much you know about me, but I was already counseling psychometric. I'm into an education industry from last 25 years. So there are many people to whom I've guided, but honestly, when it came to my daughter, I was struggling hard to find an answer for a particular problem. Too personal, I don't want to discuss that, but yes, I was struggling hard. So I thought that maybe this will help me to guide my daughter. Third reason was pure professional, because later when I was doing all counselings, I come across with two major cases where despite of all my efforts, I couldn't help people. So somewhere that was scratching my heart, that why I was not able to help. I'll explain one incident. Long time back, almost like 5-7 years back, I was counseling a parent, and somehow I stated a word here, counseling a parent. Actually, it was a student counseling. But when you counsel student, you feel that parents need to be counseled more. So that's why I used the word parent counseling. So the father was not giving a chance to speak the young boy even for a second. I tried to, manage things, but I couldn't. At one point, I still remember his statement. He said, "Ma'am, I want my child to be an IAS officer." That shook my heart because when I was a child, I dreamt of this dream in my life, and I know what it means. Those who know me personally, they have seen how much hard work I have did to reach to that destination. Later, I'll reveal why I couldn't. And I just told that man that, "Sir, it's your child dream or your dream?" So he said, "It's my dream, but I want my child to do it." Uh, As a psychologist, as a good psychology background, as a good people smart, I tried to make him understand, but honestly, I had no device that time. I had no clear vision. I had no clear report with me through which I could factually prove that what you are stating is not going to help your child. Second was again in the case of a girl who was a depression case in my company. And when I talk to her personally, I get to know that she is not able to cop up in non-medical stream. So again, I spoke to her. I spoke to counsel her parents, but they were too adamant. And I still remember her mom said, "Ma'am, how can you say it with the proven fact that what you are stating is right and what we are presuming is wrong?" So when I get to know about Midna GBP, I thought that I definitely will be able to get very clear-cut answers of all these problems when it comes to my personal life, maybe of my child's life, or maybe the people around me. When I discussed with my husband, as sir knows, we are pole apart. I generally, take advices as a good life partner. Most of the time, he appreciates my work. He has given me too much individuality and independence in my work. Thank God that I'm in the right hands. Again, my GBP reports revealed all this information. But honestly, when it comes to convincing, whatever I was doing, whatever I was, working on, which I previously stated, like whether it was following Sadhguru or horoscope or whatever it was, he always used to say that you need a shoulders, and he was never convinced. But when I discussed this whole, he was really amazed to, get the whole information. And only word I could listen from his mouth was "wow." So that gave me a strong clarification that yes, what I'm going to do is definitely going to help people and will be able to convince people, because if I'm able to convince this man to whom I've been living from last 25 years, but he appreciated but never accepted my work. If he is going to accept this, definitely word will. So secondly, I have come across when I read my report that it would be help me to know myself and my life purpose better. I always used to searching for a little higher purpose in life. Again, I have stated for my child, people around me, children around me, and few incidents I have already discussed why it helped me to join Midna as a mission. So immediately the same report, same day, sorry, when I heard my report, my daughter's report, my husband's report, I already had joined Midna as a counselor. So you can see this sweet little image. I am technically smart, but I'm not technically smart, but yes, I try to work very hard. I hope my PPT reflects that. Uh, One thing was like the way this lady is enjoying the moment. I enjoyed each and everything what he tried to explain it to me. I get to know a lot of incidents from my past life where I could connect myself. I could recall my childhood challenges. I could recall my decisions of careers and job and a lot of tough executions in terms of my relationships. Yes, of course, I always was a very good child. Study was never difficulty. I believe that education always was a feed to my soul. So I could see some of my people here. So they know that what they used to call me when I was a child. So now they can understand why I was like this. Yes, I was a very tough child to handle. I used to take on decisions on my own, and most of my life path I have chosen is self-decisive. Later, I did a lot of research on my whole family genetic tree. I call it a genetic tree because now I have the GBP, all of my family members. So somehow I know like when to work, where to work, how to work. I could recall number of incidents. The one incident which sometime I used to think a lot. I was just 8 or 10 years old. One of my uncle, he came to my father and he says the way she decides is awesome because I can take whole of my life, but I cannot reach to a conclusive point. Later, I get to know that why we people are different when it comes to deciding one's factors in one's life. Sometime I used to be feel little aloof because as C3, 100% cognition, adaptiveness very less. You can understand my challenges as a child. Though I am born and brought up in a very liberate family, my dad is an entrepreneur, my mom is a retired government principal. I always had clashes. I love them madly. People, those who know me well, they know that I can do anything for my family. But when it comes to deciding, uh, my way or no way was the question. So I still remember my sister's friend used to call me Rebel Queen. And still recall some of the incident where my elder sister used to say that, how could you ask this question to daddy? I couldn't even dare to. And I never could know, I couldn't understand why couldn't we ask, what is wrong in asking. So I could correlate. I think if I explain all the incidents, I can take 24 hours, but definitely I'll just try to give you exemplifications only. Later, when it came to my career, when it came to my study, basically the main point is self-discovery through Midna. So I'm going to correlate this point with that. I always wanted and dreamt to be an IS officer because I don't know why I always wanted to be in a power. I always feel weak if I'm not in a power. This is my GVP. Uh, and I studied very hard. I was very clear with my mission. And my mama wanted me to be a teacher. The point is this actually. The turning point is here. My mama always wanted to be a teacher and she applied for B.Ed for 2 times. And every time she used to apply for B.Ed and I used to run to my dad's factory and I used to quit that I don't want to be a teacher. And at the age of 19 only, I had an urge to teach people. And I started teaching. I opened my first academy just at the age of 19 with my own methods, with my own way, without any support. I have few things to share. I'll come back to the point again. You can see as per the performing art, debate, drama, as I already stated, it reveals my pure GBP. But one thing which I would like to connect once I'm going to give all the exemplification is later. You all can see one picture here, this one green in which I'm wearing green because there was no stage without me. I was the top star of the whole university and college. Here, somebody challenged me that I can do only English plays and Hindi plays, but when it comes to regional language, I am nothing. So I accepted not only the challenge, but I won. And I won and received the prize from KPS Gill, a very renowned personality. So this way, when I could, relate my GBP with my childhood, I got a lot of unhidden answers which were somewhere troubling inside me. And after understanding my GBP, that actually gave me inner peace. So this is my self-discovery as a person. Now coming back to my career and my career decision and my enterprising skills, you can see these two small pictures. This young little girl on the right side is me. I opened a very big playway with the help of my own collective dumb money at the age of 21. And now I understand that why I could do all that, but still I was sticking to one thing that I don't want to be a teacher. Later, certain life changes or certain episodic moments turned me to choose education as a profession. And later I realized that at one point of my life, I struggled really hard, And as a teacher, as a counselor, honest acceptance is this. If somebody could guide me with the help of GBP, so during that time, I believe my life could have, be much better. Sir, can I take a question? There is a raise hand here by somebody.
No, you please go ahead. We'll take it later.
All right, sorry. I'll give the answers later. Thank you so much. So when it comes to career, as I have already started, I opened my partnership playway at the age of 21, established my part-time academy at the age of 19. I always felt little different from others because as I've already stated previously that child is a combination of two different genes and don't try to think that they are you. One say, again, we say we are unique and on the other say, we say it's a reflection of our own self. Please don't do that mistake. I have suffered myself a lot. I have seen people suffering a lot. So somehow I believe that this wonderful device has given me a very clear cut clarity about my life. I resigned from a college job, which I got very early, because till the time my boss was giving me freedom. People used to call that boss is a puppet boss, and every work was done by me. I was very happy, and I'm accepting it without any denial. I rejected that job within 3 months. Again, I cleared 6 rounds of a test, which was very difficult because I don't know how many you will be able to correlate. Maybe you are from a big city. If you think about Amritsar, if you talk about Punjab, you do not know the mindset. Mindset here is totally different when it comes to girls. Taking certain decisions, and I'm talking almost about 46 years back, one can easily correlate how tough it would have been for me when I was doing all this. I cleared 6 tests, selected out of 125 candidates. The youngest vice principal of a school, I don't want to mention that name, but within 3 months, I had clashes with the principal because I need too much independence. And believe me, that was the time when, with that amount, I used to run my house, but still I was clear that I am not going to continue this job. One day I entered in her office and I stated her that this job is for you. I have wings to fly. So later, when my GPP was revealed to me, believe me, you can't understand my emotion. You can't understand what I had gone through when I correlated these incidents, that why I could. Can you believe that how much opposition I got from people? Maybe somebody said me overconfident. Maybe somebody said that she is not clear. She takes adamant decisions in her life. But whatever I decided actually helped me with a very, very clear vision. So later that year only, I resigned and I found a path. This is one of the reasons which many of you ask me that why it is Seema the Pathfinder. Again, I say that unless and until you don't find your path, you cannot help others to find their path. That, so at that point, I was 29, right? So I established one of my best academy, and later I opened 4 different academies. And due to certain emotional decisions, I quit it because for me, definitely, whatever the reason is, my family, my emotions are always on the prior list. And I started keeping and exploring new things. Now, basically, what is the purpose of telling you all these stories? I know many of you are maybe not even interested to listen that, but why? Because it is connecting with my self discovery. I got number of wise answers. Second thing, I get to know challenging and complex jobs is my food. I get to know that doing household work seems next to impossible because it's a mundane task for me. I can do highly multiple disciplinary learning, and later I'll reveal that I struggled very hard in professional life because my qualification did not match with my profession. So now the question is, if somebody could have guided me earlier, I definitely would have worked on only those career streams which could work according to what I love to do. But thank God, again, credit goes to my GBP again, that if I could sustain, if I could still, do much better than other people, because I never stopped learning. I upgraded my learning skills. I upgraded number of things. I know very few important people are here in this chat. They actually can correlate with number of incidents. And again, coming back to the question which I stated, that education, which I never wanted. Later, when my GBP was revealed to me, I was shocked to see that the clear cut bar shows education as the highest profession. So yes, I entered into an education, but definitely not as a teacher. I changed my own courses in a very different styles. You'll be amazed to know I am the only center in Punjab who do customized coaching when it comes to language training. I'm doing a lot of voluntary project for Indian Army and Indian Air Force. And soon I'm going to be a part of United Nations project as a RELO assessed teacher. Now, whatever I have, connected with my GBPT, how it helped me to further in my future life, I'm going to reveal that. As I've already stated, after listening my report, after listening my daughter's report, I got many answers. Now I don't try to judge my daughter the way I am. I definitely keep certain guidance in my mind that she's not me. She's maybe a better version than me, or maybe I definitely need not to expect that if I'm getting 100%, she definitely need to get 100%. And believe me, my experience, my knowledge proves this, that most of the parents think with the same way, that what you are, you want it or you expect consciously or subconsciously. That's again a second problem. But yes, we all expect our children to do same. So here, when you have this device, here, when you have this knowledge with you, you will get to know, you will accept your child in a much purified way. So my story again revealed self-discovery, that if I could get this knowledge about me when I was young, when I was jumping from one point to another, when I used to think I wish I could, do something better, or maybe in a stable way, or when I could not find a mentor in my life. So still, I believe it's never too late. Again, I correlate with my GBP. Very funny incident. As I've already stated, that number of astrologers are my good friend. I am a firm. I need to change. Actually, I was a firm believer of astrology. Now I'm not. I believe more on my GBP factual information, and I help number of renowned astrologers and numerologists to read their report. Definitely due to professionalism, maybe sometimes people are not showing their video testimonial, and I accept it. Generally I accept it. So as I've already stated, it's never too late. Midna, GBP helped me rediscover myself. It gave me a new introduction to myself. So my personal discovery with the help of GBP gave me a kick for every day. Again, on a very light note, when I get up in the morning, my husband always says, okay, so what's the challenge for the day? So now I know what's the challenge. The challenge is my office. I come here, I meet people, I see their problems, and if I'm able to give them solution, definitely that's a kick. So it not only has transformed me personally, it has transformed me as a pure professionally also. So I'm going to reveal few more incidents. After understanding myself on personal and professional front, number one, you can see that I help myself. Number two, I help my child. Number three, I could help people in a much and better refined way. Now, I felt peace. Yes. I felt inner peace. My way to deal people improved. As I've already stated, it's not a personal front, so I cannot reveal many personal incidents. I try to give one. I used to feel bad that why, despite my all efforts, like why sometimes people think that I am not good, I'm too rude to talk. I get to know because of my C3 temporal, that makes me a little commanding, a little bossy. So now I try to change my way. I stop, I don't say that that the basic instinct is not there, but I'm little conscious. So I stop there for a minute. I try to think. And most of the time I'm dealing with the people, I know their GBP and I know how I'm supposed to react, So definitely that have improved my dealing with the public social interactions. It's not boost, but yes, my confidence was always very high. But now it have not even a single shade of a doubt. What I'm doing, I'm clear about that. So even coming to this front, you can ask sir, I just called him after listening Naveen and I said, sir, I want to come. So if I want to do something, I don't have a doubt. I realized my certain weaknesses, which I earlier was not accepting. And I accepted it honestly. And now I'm not only accepting it, I'm actually ready to work. And I did work. I'm going to show some glimpse of that work here. After understanding my GBP, I get to know that I am little outward person. And if I'll go out, that will create little more inner peace for me. Whatever professional pictures I'm going to depict here is after my GBP discovery. I've started doing a lot of projects. Actually, earlier I was confined to my home because I operate from my home only. My workplace and my home place is almost same because when my daughter was growing, I shut down all of my centers and started operating my office from my home, and I started my online company. I shifted my, job way. I did a lot of train the training programs. These are all my children. They love me madly. I love them madly. Uh, I started coming more on, social front. I'm a little private person. Yes, I'm an extrovert, but when it comes to personal life, I'm too private. Uh, so I get to know that I need to go out. I need to tell people actually, I'm not selling a product. I'm doing a service. And we need to change ourselves the way the world is changing. So definitely the need of an hour is that we need to go out, we need to tell people, we need to share people, and that's not possible if you're sitting inside the office. So I started doing a lot of workshops. After joining Midna, I think, if I'm not wrong, almost in a year, I did 4 different programs in Amritsar. I was, given an award of a best counselor in town. Um, you can see that all these renowned personalities standing here are the principals or the politicians of my town. I get a lot of recognition. So this is my personal improvement. Not sorry, this is my professional improvement actually. And you can see my beautiful smile is becoming more beautiful after my GBP was revealed to me. And I started doing voluntary little more. I was already doing voluntary, but I get to know that this gives me inner peace. So definitely the purpose of life is your inner peace. So I started doing voluntary projects for people. And my transformation with the help of my Midna GBP freed me to enter one of the most creative periods of my life. And as an individual, I became a little more empathetic. I'm not a good listener. And I love talking, I can talk for hours. But it helped me in my counselings. So I don't tell people to come me. If one is coming, I know the chain will come to me. So this confidence, I get to know only after listening my report. I started making better decisions because somehow I get to know there is a intricate personality when it comes to execution related to work. But now, sir, I think I've proven myself because immediately once I joined, I was in Delhi, and this year I was in Coimbatore. So I'm pretty sure you can easily understand that I'm really working hard on my GBP amendmentation. Professional growth, yes, of course, I am getting that. As a person, better than before. If you ask my better half, even last night when we were walking, I asked him, like, please give me an honest answer. And yes, we are very honest to each other. I said, just tell me one important thing, one important change in me as a person after joining Midna. He says, like, you are now tolerable. So people have started tolerating me because now I'm not trying to impose my decisions on them. As a parent, definitely you ask my daughter, she says, Mama, no mother can be like you. That's a great compliment. It gives me again an inner peace, inner satisfaction. And I'm pretty sure with this help, I'll be able to guide my daughter. Definitely, destiny is there. I don't deny I'm a very spiritual person. But yes, at least we all have some devices. We all have some, that compass that which help us to guide in a better way. As a teacher, yes. Can you believe that in my academy, every child whosoever is going to register here, whether they pay me or not, I do their GBP. Because as a teacher, what I've learned, when you know the child's learning style, when you get to know the child's potential, when you get to know that WAK method, VA key, AV key, or KV, I helped a number of students, and as I have told you that I'm a language trainer, so sometimes it's very hard for people to cover their language exam. And I simply do their GBP and, help them and mentor them in a better way as a teacher. Yes, as a consultant and a counselor, I'm trying to master the art of conflict resolution. I try to upgrade my knowledge. I think in last 2 years, Not only the Midra training, I've done a lot of research on Midra. I try to make it in my way because sir gives us you independence to create your creativity in your own style. But somehow, starting my journey from a counselor to consultant and now as a mentor, I feel more responsible. I feel more liable, and for that, I want to hone my skills every day. Uh, Now, it shows you your inner side actually. So when you get an introduction, when you say hi to your own inner side, you enter into a world of harmony, both within themselves and with the people around you. So again, it helped me to choose their path. It helped me to choose my path. It helped me to come out to give the resolution to their problem, to accept themselves in a better way, to understand uh, within the families, Now, my personal suggestion to all the counselors with the self-discovery method is that when people come to us, what is our duty? First thing is that with the help of this beautiful, wonderful, magical device, unfold their true self and make them understand that acceptance is there. I will not do copy pasting.
Question last में.
Basically, sir gives a lot of exemplification through with we can basically make them understand what their true self is, whether it's 20%, whether it's 40%, whether it's 60%, whether it is 80%, whether the door of that entrance is too small or too big. So all these things we can make them understand, be it a student, be it a parent, be it a teacher, be it an entrepreneur, be it a business person, whosoever it is, understand their pain. Because at that point when I joined Midna, honestly, I am blessed. I had no issues, but still something was there which I was missing. So same way, whatever counseling I've done till date, I get to know that people have pains, and like a good doctor, you can basically not only diagnose that area, you can even give them remedies. That I call it a gain, and that gain we do with the factual information, not with the predictions, So that's amazing, magical report. So most of the time, I try to counsel on family council because it brings harmony. And for that, I have again a few more exemplifications. Because without knowing gardener, parent are the gardener of a seed. Uh, you cannot nurture. So let's for an example, if I have a child with me and I am trying to counsel, but somehow I feel little limited, I immediately give a free counseling to a parent and I say that if you are satisfied, only then you pay me. Otherwise, it's just, take it as a gift from my side. And most of the time, when you get to know the nature of gardener, the one who is nurturing the seed, the child, you definitely can help a lot of people. Sir once told me that I'm an emotional and a human healer. Later, I found, yes, I am. The best way to find yourself is to lost yourself, sorry, in the service of others. So when I'm doing it, I'm enjoying it. Throughout my this journey of Midna 2 years, it's so blessed to reveal this information that I helped more than 70 students to find their path. I'm using the word path, which sometimes I could not find it for myself. I struggle very hard, as I stated. But now when they call me, and I'm almost connected with all of my, people, those who come for the counseling, and I helped almost 10 students to come out of depression. They were taking medicines, and through the GBP found that they were misfitted in that area. With my other skills, definitely with the clear-cut guidance of this report, I could help them in a better way. I help parents and children to ease down their issues and have a better life. Even a hug can do a miracle. In one of the family council, it's so surprising to know that mother being overcognitive, child being too affected, looking for a hug only, they revealed that she didn't hug a child even from last 5 years. So maybe when you get to know through the GBG what is the reason, even a small hug can melt that pain, and I've seen that. I'm not taking any name, I'm not going in details because that's too personal, and I always respect the personal individual identity of my customers. And believe me, some of my customers are too high profile, and the way they express, the way they share, the way I explain them, it's a trust feeling. I helped 4 people, those who were studying hard to, in their jobs or in their other profession. I helped them to start their startups. I even guided people not to invest because somehow their GBP was telling the truth, and later they accepted as well. So these are the few things which gives a very clear depiction, which gives a very clear perception to all of us that yes, this small device can do wonders to us. Last but not the least, one report, definitely by a very renowned and famous doctor, a twins report, identical twins. Um, and when I read the report, I discussed that report with sir as if he could recall. Both were pole apart, and it was shocking to the mother because somehow when you have an identical twins, you have that perception that they will do the same. And I started explaining all to her, and she has written a very warm and beautiful note to me that yes, as a mother, you helped me to do an error in my life. So this Midna has blessed all of us. Incidents are so many that I can keep on, but I'm sure again it is your GBP that will decide that how much you are clear with the vision. My certain confession with this report is I'm sure my family found a new, better version of Seema. I can see some of my family members here, and I'm sure they must have seen a better Seema, a better trusting people. Those who were coming to me, they come with a call, they come with a help, they come with a faith. And believe me, the more faith they do, the more I try to understand and do a lot of research on GBP interpretation so that at least when they're coming to me, I try my best to give them the better result. And I can help them to find their path with the help of this Midna GBP, a mission which Sir trusted me for, gave me a true meaning of my identity. So now at the age of 46, now the name which I initially kept for my academy, Seema the Pathfinder, has given a true sense that yes, with the grace of Midna, I am a Pathfinder. So thank you all of you patiently listening me. I know I'm a bit emotional, so I don't know whether coherence was there or not, but I'm pretty sure you all will pick definitely something from here. So thank you, sir. Thank you, Naveen. Thank you, all my friends, my colleagues.
Thank you so much.
So if there is any question, sir definitely can give a better answer.
Yeah, Naveen. I think Naveen is not responding. I don't think there are questions, Seema. There are all feedbacks and appreciations for the great talk you have given. It's really very awesome, wonderful way of It's a kind of uh, emptying out all the emotions that you have gone through after you found the GBP. It's very motivating for us also to hear so much has gone through in your life, personal as well as professional. And I must say that we have almost now 75 consultants and mentors put together. But you stand totally different from them because you are the one to start the activity without even having a formal training. That goes on to say how much you are already having the competency to handle this project, and the certifications or the training were just additional points that you are looking for. So I must thank Sunny for having brought so many wonderful souls to this network, and Santosh, Priya, yourself. Okay, so like that, I think the number keeps keeps on adding the numbers, and I'm very happy that you have taken this assignment voluntarily that I want to, talk about your self-discovery. I'm so happy about it. And then it is also very, interesting to see that the profession that you are trying to do and the tool that you are given are so much in sync with each other. It definitely can bring in a lot of wonders. Many mentors who have come to us, after coming here, they have started doing some mentoring work after learning genetic brain profiling. Whereas you have been already into counseling and training activities, and a person who is already dealing similar kind of a profession, seeing so much revelation, so much usefulness in the genetic brain profiling report is a great motivation for all those audience who are, either they are your friends, they are your customers, or they are the prospects who have, who have started coming and trying to understand what Midna Global is doing to the society. So I know that you are from such a small place in a corner, almost in the border of the country, but still with whatever challenges that you have, limitations you have definitely made use of them in a very big way, I would say, because I can understand how difficult it is to do such kind of practices and services in smaller towns and all. So really, you are the Seema and the path, and people can find their paths with you. Such a wonderful name and such a wonderful way of doing service to the people around the society. I wish all the best for your future, plans and projects. You have 100% cognitive or 100% employer. They're all, people who have come to this planet to change the planet in something for better. Either it's a technical revolutions or it's a human revolution with human beings. So I'm happy to say that you have come to this planet only to, to make human beings better ones rather than just helping them. This is something like making the whole world better to live. So that's for your purpose. That's what I think is your purpose in this planet. And I'm sure with your daughter also, more or less made for the similar kind of project. I'm sure for the next 100 years, genetic brain profiling would remain very, very positively experienced, exploited, utilized in that part of the country. And I'm very happy that you came across through Sunny to Midna, and you remain the brightest star, serving the human beings around. Thank you very much, Seema. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir. I'm blessed to have you in my life. And last confession.
Yeah.
Please don't think that I'm boosting about myself. But it was very difficult for me to accept somebody as a mentor. I don't know, like somehow in my life, I found that I guided people, but I could not get that guidance, what I was looking for. So, sir, I have a very pure connection for you. Whenever I need, I am the one who troubles you the most. Keep